Have you claimed your Google short name for your appliance repair business? Hi, this is Marlon with the Appliance Experts, and today I wanted to just record a quick video about a new article we just published on our blog, and it's all about how to claim your Google short name. Now, why would you want to claim your Google short name? Number one, it gives you extra branding. Number two, it's an easier way to share your Google My Business listing or your GMB listings with consumers when you're trying to get them to give you reviews. So let me just show you real quick what it looks like. When you log into your GMB, you'll see a section like this where you can actually enter your short name. You also want to get ahead of your competition when it comes to short names, because if there's a particular keyword that you want to use as your short name, you want to be the first one to get it. If you're using your company name, then there's probably isn't any rush to get it because a competitor probably won't use your company name. And here's a screenshot of our listing. So this should look very familiar to you once you're logged into your Google My Business dashboard or GMB dashboard, and right below the phone number section there, you'll see our short name. So we're using the keyword appliance repair leads, but for you, if you do want to use a keyword, you probably will be using appliance repair plus the city. I'm not necessarily recommending that you use a keyword. If you're trying to get branding, you probably want to use your company name. Will the Google short name help you with SEO? Probably not. All right, so just wanted to create this quick video so you can check out the article on our blog. I want to keep you guys ahead of the curve with online marketing. If you like this video, you like the content, please like it, leave us a comment. That way we know that the content we're providing for you are things that you actually find useful. My name is Marlon, and I look forward to talking to you soon.